Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change theme in Google News application on your Android device. If you want to switch quickly between light and dark mode easily on Google News app, this tutorial is helpful. First of all, open up the Google News application on your device, and then once you're inside the home page, click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. You will then be able to see a pop-up where you need to tap on News Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Dark Theme and then select which theme you'd like to choose. You can choose from System Default, Always or Never. If you want to turn on Dark Theme, click on Always. If you don't want the dark theme, you can select Never. Soon after you do that, you have successfully changed the theme of your Google News interface. Your changes will take effect immediately. No restart is required. And that's it. You've successfully changed the theme in Google News application to match your style and comfort. Whether you prefer light mode during the day or dark mode at night, now you know how to customize it with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.